This is a reminder. So we had it set up for 2:18 and it pops up, says turn in your homework to the basket. We have it set for 10 seconds, so it's about to go away. And then after 10 seconds, it just automatically goes away. To set up a reminder in Lesson Launchpad, you're going to go to the Add Edit screen, scroll down to Auto Reminders. We're going to delete this one and we're going to recreate it. So we're going to click Add Reminder. This is your message. So we'll just say turn in your homework to the basket. We're going to set it to active, which just means it's on and ready to go. And we'll set it back to 10 seconds. Right here, we're going to set up our time for it. You'll have different scheduling options depending on what you set for your scheduling options. If you want it to be on just Monday, you would turn these days off. But I'm just going to go ahead and leave every day on. So we're going to set this for, it is 2:19. We're going to set it for 2:19 and 30 seconds, just so that way we don't have to sit and wait for it forever. Going to click apply to all, because why not? We'll click save. We're going to go back to our screen. These will appear on any screen. These are not class dependent. When I say any screen, I mean any of your present screens. They won't appear on the add edit screen or that sort of thing. It's 2:19 and 30 seconds, and there's our reminder. Turn in your homework to the basket. You can resize this. You can move it around, and it's going to disappear after 10 seconds. It'll actually save that resize and that position data. So wherever you put it on the screen there, that's where it's going to appear on the screen next time. So that's how you set up an auto reminder in Lesson Launchpad.